Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Health and Beauty Secrets. Today in this video we will share some ideas about how to get glowing skin. The first one is glowing drink. Take green tea 1 teaspoon, spinach leaves 1 to 2, cloves 2 to 3, honey, water 1 cup. Direction: cook all ingredients for 10 minutes, filter tea and drink once a day. Second, glow mask. Paste of 1 tomato, honey 2 tablespoons, a pinch of camphor, rose water 2 tablespoons. Direction: mix all ingredients and apply on face for 15 minutes. Apply twice a day for excellent result. If you like this video, like, share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty videos. Let us know in the comments below on which topic you want to get information. Thank you.